Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anugraha. So today I'm going to do a Scratch tutorial on how to make a pixelated game on Scratch. It's going to be a very easy game and you can also do it as a beginner. But if you don't know what Scratch is and you haven't watched my previous videos about Scratch tutorials, I'll tell you. Scratch is a programming language where you can code animations or even games. And if you also don't know what pixels are kind of like microscopic small squares that are found in a computer or a monitor or even TVs or mobiles and like that, which are really tiny to see, and you can also see them with a microscope, so that's small. And that pixel squares are what makes the whole screen look a bit nice. So pixel art is basically like that. So first what I'll do is, if you don't know what pixel is, I'll just type pixel art and I'll show you the pixels. So this is pixel art. See the tiny squares? So that's pixel art. Now we're gonna make a game like that on Scratch. So we'll go to Scratch. Then click create over here. Okay, now what you do is now you just go to this costumes, but before that I'm going to tell you the 3 ways to make pixel art. So the first way of doing is going to choose a sprite, then choose, I think I'll choose this dinosaur. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to looks category, then go to change color effect per 25, but instead of the color, take a pixelate. So when you press that, it gets pixelated and pixelated. But remember, in some sprites it won't work that much, but in some backgrounds it will work really well. Like this one, the cactus one. I think I had to go outdoors one or fantasy. I'll just go to all and yeah, okay. So you take the desert one, and then what you do is change color effect and then choose pixelate. It will become really nice. See, it's like a game look. In the desert one, it works really well. Now the second way is I'll just remember this. Okay. Now the second way is go to I'll just take a sprite and I think I'll go and take this dinosaur once more. Now I'm gonna go to its costumes and then I'm gonna change convert to bitmap. Then what I'm gonna do is select it. Select it and then zoom it out. Then zoom it back in and convert to vector. See, you have a pixelated one. And you can also just zoom out, convert to bitmap, then convert to vector. It will just become a little pixelated, as you can see here. And now the third way of making it pixelated is by painting a sprite actually. So what you do is go to bitmap, then zoom in so much. Zoom in, keep on zooming. So when you take the paintbrush, it will automatically be in 10, but we need to make it to 1, which is the smallest. And I think this is a bit too small, so I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. Okay, perfect. Now I think I'm gonna draw something like this maybe. And wait, I think I'll create some kind of stair thing. Now what I'll do is make it maybe a bit okay, so now you got like a pixelated kind of thing. Now what you do is, now you can't see it in the main screen. That's because it's really tiny. So what I like to do is make the size maybe 500 and see. Okay, I think we can see it now. But I think I'll make it a bit more bigger, maybe 1000. Okay, now you know the 3 ways to make something pixelate. So there you have it. So that's the 3 ways to make pixel art. Now what I'm gonna do is make a game out of pixel art. So for that I'm gonna choose a backdrop which is gonna be jungle. Then I'm gonna choose a sprite which is going to be monkey. First I'll choose bananas, then I'll choose monkeys. Monkey. There's only one monkey. Okay, monkey. Okay, now I'll make this monkey pixelated by going to costumes, and I think we don't need these both costumes. So costumes, then make it a bit small, then convert to bitmap, then back to vector, then make it big. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna make banana pixelated using this method, this one. Change color, except it's pixelate. So now what I'm gonna do is make the bananas come down, and when the monkey will catch it and it will eat it. So that's just a simple game that you can do very easily. So first we want the banana to always start over here. So for that we're gonna go to motions, motions, then choose the bananas only. Okay, then choose go to random position, then choose set Y to that place. Oops, a bit more up maybe. Yeah, okay. Not this Y, it's gonna be Y80, okay? Because 180, that's because that's the highest point. So I'll just click when green flag clicked. Okay, perfect. So it only goes that. Now what we do is, so now we want to make the now we want to make the banana come down, and then when it comes down, we gotta make it to go up again. So for that, what we need to do is just duplicate this. For duplication, just right click and then click on the duplicate one. So duplicate, then what you do is go take the forever loop and the if then loop, and then go to motions and take change Y by -10 block. Then go to then take forever loop and loop it, then put it around everything. Then take the if then loop and go to a random position and the set Y in the if then block. Then put the change Y by -10 outside the if then block. Then what you do is go to operators, then choose this is then what you do is go to operators and choose more than 50, and go to motions block and then choose Y position. So if Y position is more than 169, then it's going to go back to Y80. So let's try it out. Oh no, that's just too fast. Well, that was because the reason it was too fast. It's not just 169. It's -169. Now it's gonna be okay. See? Perfect. Now we want to control the monkey using our mouse. So go to the monkey, then go to when green flag clicked, then go to control and choose forever loop. Then go to mouse pointer. Go to mouse pointer. Yep, that's that easy. See, now the monkey will go to the mouse pointer. So now we want the monkey to catch the bananas. So for that, actually what you need to do is go to the bananas and then take from the sensing group, take touching mouse pointer. Instead of mouse pointer, put monkey. Then you do when green flag clicked, then go to forever loop, and then what you do is if then. So put the forever outside of then, and then if then touching monkey, then play sound bite. See? But now the monkey will just stay over here and get it, and it's really easy. So for that, what you need to do is take mouse X from the sensing group, and then go to motions, and then take set X to mouse X. So forever loop, just okay. Now let's see. Oops, we forgot to set it right over here. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so it's staying there only. Okay, so now we want the monkey. Now we have to create a variable called score. I'll just type score. Okay, so now when if touching a monkey, then play sound bite and set score. Change score by 1. Let's see. Okay, and then when green flag clicked, we want it to go to 0 back again. So variables, set score to 0. And there you have it. This is a pixelated game. So in this video, you learned 2 things. You learned how to make pixel art and also learned how to make a falling game. And I'll link this project in the description down below, and you can make your own remixes. And I'm really excited to see all the remixes you make. Bye for now. See you in my next video.